Hey everyone, it's Talia here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. I have a nail tutorial for you today. We are going to be featuring a brand that you guys have seen on the channel before, but it has been a while. So we have 3 different releases from them that we are going to talk through, and it is Bemi Beauty Box. This is a pro-only brand, and it is a great brand if you are looking to try something new. So their gel polishes are super creamy. Hence the name. They are called the Bemi Beauty Box Creamy Gel Polishes. So they had a collection release. This is called the Malibu collection, and you guys, it is an all pink collection. This one here, number 26, is one of my favorites from it. I just think it's so unique. But it features 6 different pink gel polishes in it, and they are all a little bit different, a little bit unique. They're definitely a collection here that you could get some good use out of, not just like for summer nail art or anything like that, because there are some bright colors in here, but for all year round, because I don't know about you guys, you'll have to let me know, but pink is definitely like my go-to most used color in my nail studio. When I saw the Malibu collection from Bemi Beauty Box, I knew I wanted to incorporate all of the pink colors in some sort of design. So we are going to work through this design here. It is like a neutral background, and then we've got some really fun stripes in it. So first thing that I need to do though is I need to clean this brush. I've been using this one from Accents here for a while, and I absolutely love it. It is like a striper brush, but it's a little bit thicker. It works great for these type of line work. However, I have had some issues with curing my gel in it because of my windows. So anyway, I'm trying to clean it out here with some gel cleanser, and then I need to like add some gel back into the brush, which is what you guys are seeing me do here. I'm going to take a little bit of the Luxio Build, and it's just a clear gel that I can make the bristles go the way that I want to. So I'm just loading that brush up here. Now the background of the nail design that I'm going to be creating here is actually just the tips that I got from our Opry. They are the Alex color, and then I have put a little bit of this gel that you guys are going to see coming up here soon as the background, and that is it. Other than that, I'm just going over top of them with the gel polishes. I knew I wanted to create something that featured all of the different pinks in the design. So I am just randomly putting different lines down here. I'm kind of making some of them a little bit more curved, and mainly what I'm doing is I'm trying to play around with the Bemi Beauty Box gel polishes to see how they hand paint. They work so good. They're very creamy, and they are a little bit more runny, but they stay where you put them, which is absolutely great for working any sort of hand painted gel. Now you will rarely see me do a full set from like start to finish without starting something else, which is what we are doing here. I am priming another set here because I wanted to do a whole set with just that really pretty rosy pink sparkle that they released. I think this color is so unique. I don't have anything like it in my collection, and I love that it's like a carnation pink, but it also has some really nice like flecks of gold glitter in it too. I just think it is such a cool color. So I knew I wanted to do like another set of this for her, and I am just getting that done here. You can see how beautiful it goes on in one coat, but I do go in and do a second coat for this too, just to like amp it up. And you guys know I love working with glitter top coats, glitter matte top coats, anything like that, but I decided to just leave this one plain and do a shiny top coat on it because I think it is just so beautiful. So this is how the stripey design ended up turning out. We used a bunch of the different colors from Bemi. I threw in a little bit of the stars too. I thought that turned out really cool. And then we're going to talk about some chromes that they have recently released as well. So when it comes to chromes, I love using chromes for chrome stamping as well as obviously chrome nails here. And the Bemi Beauty Box are very good quality chromes. So you know that when you are working with them, you're going to get a nice chrome as long as you do like the proper steps to get a good chrome. And if you guys need help working with chromes, I do have a tricky nail art video up that I will do my best to link in the description box. And it goes through all of my tips and tricks for creating flawless chromes like what you guys are seeing here. But we had 3 different colors from Bemi release, and the one thing that I really like about this chrome here, Siren, is such a unique color. It's like a really pretty like pinky type of shade, but then when you apply it, it goes to like an iridescent color with some pink like hues to it. It is really cool. So these are all 3 of the different shades. We have Hollow, we have Flora, and then we have Siren as well. Some really great options, and they work good for chrome stamping too. This collection from Bemi Beauty Box, this is called the Neon Scents collection, and it is actually like a re-release. So this one here that you guys are seeing is it re-released. However, like I have had this collection in my possession for years, and it is one of my staple go-to collections for neon colors. It is like a leaf gel consistency. So as you can see with how I'm painting it on here, I am doing it pretty light, but I am gonna have to pull up some of that pink because I did do it a little bit thick in some areas. However, these colors go on so flawlessly. You can see with like one coat how beautiful it goes goes on. I do end up doing a second coat on them, which you guys are going to see near the end of me talking about all these colors here. But even one coat goes on really beautiful. But so what I use these for mainly, besides like the background here, which you can see, is I love hand painting with these. They work great for adding like a little bit of like an extra glitter or anything like that, just the leaf gels in general from Bemi Beauty Box. But when it comes to neon gels, it is so hard to find good neon gels that you love, especially sparkly ones. So this is one of the only collections that I have found that is neon, is sparkly, applies so nicely. It is just such a great collection. So it has 6 different colors in it. You guys have seen 3 of them at the beginning here. This green one here, side note, is excellent for Halloween nail art. You pair this with some like purples or even like some oranges too. Another side note, the orange in this collection is excellent for Halloween too. So even though they are super bright colors, I get use out of these all year round. This particular one, Techno, is just such a stunning teal color, and this one is actually really great for snowflake nail art. And then we do have this beautiful like coral color in the collection too, and this color is just like a great mix between like the orange and the pink that you guys saw at the beginning. But I am actually painting these all on a set for the client that I'm going to be sending this order to as well. So you guys are seeing me here do the second coat of these colors, and it just cleans everything up and it looks so, so beautiful. So I did do 5 of the different colors here, kind of like in a neon rainbow look for this set. I think it turned out super cute, and it is going to pair with the last set that we were going to do in this tutorial video. I'm just going to get this all put on the cards for her. And this is the animal print set that we are going to come up with for this client here using some of those Bemi leaf gel products. So first up though, I am going to do this gel bottle color as the pink because I thought it would pair really nicely. And then this one here is such a unique product from the gel bottle. So it looks like it's so thick and would be so hard to work with. It is thick, but it is not hard to work with at all. It goes on so light on the nails, as you can see here. But I really enjoy working with these type of products because they are fantastic for layering. And as much as I really like that pink color that I'm using as the thumb and the pinky, I did want to see how this color would look over top of that pink, and it looked really cool. It just was not the vibe that I was going for it, but as you can see, you can layer it really nice and thin. This is a really cool product. I think that it's going to be fantastic for different type of stone nail art. What I wanted to do with it though is I wanted to create like a really sparkly background for my animal print to sit on top of. So I'm going to add some of these flakes to the like cured dispersion layer of this gel. Yes, I absolutely knocked a whole bunch of it down. So I am just going to work from the one that fell on my little background here. So once that product has kind of sat and cured for a little bit here, I'm going to go in with my animal print spots, and I'm just taking a little bit of each of the different colors and I'm just creating some little spots on the nails. Animal print is one of my favorite type of nail art to create, so you guys have definitely seen it on the channel here before. But one thing I do want to make sure to tell you guys is like when you are doing these little spots, do not overthink it. Just make sure you've got some bigger spots, some smaller spots, anything like that, and you can put them all in like random spots. You just definitely do not have to overthink that. And then for the zebra print, I did decide to do a little bit of it just on the pink nails, kind of like on the cuticle, and then some on the free edge as well, as you can see here. And I'm using the Fusion gel paints for this because it works so good. But after I've cured the Fusion gel paints, I am going to go in with some of the different Bemi leaf gels and just do tiny little accents kind of surrounding like the lines of the zebra, and it turns out so cool. This is the type of thing that I like to do with the Bemi leaf gels, and specifically the neons. Like I use the pink one all the time for like glitter accent lines underneath French nails, or like you can see for the animal print here. It just works so good, and they are very easy to work with. I'm just gonna get all of these nails top coated and talk you guys through how to make like the actual black animal print here. I like to work with a toothpick and I just kind of like wiggle my toothpick around until I get the lines that I want. But again, you don't want it to be like too thin or like you want it to be messy. You want it to be like a really messy design when you're working with animal print, which is something that I love about it. So this design turned out so cool. I think this is such a fun set for Lisa. You guys have seen a lot of Lisa's orders in my past YouTube videos, and I'm just about done her complete order here soon, so I can't wait to share that with you guys. But thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and gave you some ideas of how to work with the different products from Bemi Beauty Box as well. I have some really fun content coming up for you guys soon, so make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.